Are you looking for a tasty meal that can help you lose weight? Get ready to discover an incredible recipe that will transform your lunch into a true weight loss ally. This recipe is low-carb and won't spike your blood sugar. Low-carb tuna tart recipe. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cream, 200 grams of cabbage, tomato sauce, tuna, mozzarella, tomato, spices to taste, salt, pepper, oregano, etc. Instructions: 1. Start by beating the eggs in a bowl and add the 3 tablespoons of cream. Mix well until you have a homogeneous consistency. 2. Then add the cabbage, cut into thin strips, and mix again. 3. Season the mixture with salt, pepper, and other spices of your choice. 4. In a non-stick pan, pour the mixture and cook over medium heat until the bottom is golden brown. 5. Spread the tomato sauce over the tart, followed by the tuna, grated mozzarella, and tomato slices. 6. Cover the pan and cook over low heat until the cheese is completely melted. 7. Remove from heat, serve hot, and enjoy this delicious low-carb treat. Why adopt a low-carb diet? A low-carb diet is an effective strategy for weight loss as it reduces carbohydrate intake, encouraging the body to burn fat as its primary energy source. Additionally, it can improve energy levels, help control hunger, and promote a healthier, more balanced diet. Did you like the recipe? Then don't forget to leave a comment below telling us what you think of this low-carb tuna tart. And if you want more tips and incredible recipes to lose weight healthily, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any news. Don't waste time and get your Nagano tonic now. The official link is waiting for you in the first pinned comment. Note: the translation aims to maintain the original meaning and tone of the text. Some culinary terms might have slightly different equivalents in English, so you might need to adjust based on the specific context. The part about Nagano tonic remains in English as it seems to be a specific product or brand. For a more natural and engaging tone, consider using more conversational language and adding some personal touches. Here are some examples. Instead of "mix well until you have a homogeneous consistency," you could say "mix everything together until it's well combined." Instead of "remove from heat, serve hot, and enjoy this delicious low-carb treat," you could say "take it out of the heat, plate it up, and enjoy this tasty low-carb treat." Tension. Don't waste time. Check out Nagano tonic now, a powerful oriental elixir that eliminates stubborn fat quickly and easily. The official Nagano tonic link is waiting for you in the first pinned comment.
Attention! Lose weight quickly and healthily with Nagano tonic, a revolutionary 100% natural powdered supplement that aids in weight loss and the elimination of excess fat. Inspired by the traditional health practices of Nagano, Japan, Nagano tonic is your solution for a lighter and healthier body. Check out the official Nagano tonic website. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment. Visit now and discover all the benefits of Nagano tonic.